Hello children, how are you doing? Today I am going to tell you about a day. Can everyone see this board? What are these? This is a pumpkin. This is a very friendly ghost. His name is Casper. And these are spiders. Wherein these are bat. What time of the day you see all this? Night. At night, right? And in a year, we celebrate one day on the memory of a big night. And that day is Halloween Day. What is Halloween Day, by the way? It is a day where all the friends and family get together. They share something positive with each other. But there is a history behind it. What is the history? Now I am going to tell you. Listen very carefully. I will say it once, not twice. Right? Are you ready to listen to the story? When there was a big summer. Right? What is big summer? Summer is the maximum sunlight part of the world. What is summer? When it is too much hot. Sun is everywhere. Correct? And when the summer ends, which season comes? Winter. You are right. During winter, the nights are long and the days are short. And during the summer, the days are long and the nights are short. So, on 31st of October, every year, this day actually commence or start the winter and end the summer. Right? So when the summer ends and winter starts, nights are long. So they started to celebrate that night. The harvesting. What is harvesting? Farming. Lot of grains are farmed across, right? That comes to a pause. That's come to a pause. And no harvesting is happening. So those farmers who were doing harvesting all throughout the year could not do harvest on this longer part of the night. So they were hungry, right? They cannot do harvest, they cannot sell those grains, so they are hungry. They need food. So they started to do a nice warming activity with interaction with people. What they do? So, what did they do? See, can you see this? I need horns. So they try to decorate themselves with all the creatures which they see at night. They celebrate their presence. So, they made hats like a witch. They made face with lot of painting like some ghost. These are all creatures of night, we say, right? They wear dresses like a bat, or they wear skeletons like the spiders, right? The spiders has 8 legs. They also dress up like the spiders. This way they dress and they move to houses, from one house to the other. They show their dress up, they show their various creativity, various tricks, and what did they get? They get nice treat. Right? So, if you do a trick, you will get a treat. And with that treat, they make a big feast with lot of foods. Even there was no harvesting, they were having lot of food till the time the harvest season comes again. It is also believed in some religious point of view that at this point of time, lots and lots of saints are moving around. So you will always be saved from all these dark creatures. Do you understand? So children, what I want you to do is we will be celebrating Halloween Day on coming Friday. Right? So you have to dress up as creative as you can with all the nightly creatures form. Okay? Not the day creatures, nightly creatures. Like an owl, like a bat, like a spider, like a ghost, whichever you like. Okay? And you have to think something of a tree. Now that children, you know what is a Halloween Day, I think you will not be scared and you will take this as a very, very nice activity day, right? In a very good sportsman spirit. Okay? What you have to do now, let me tell you. You have to do face painting, or you have to create a mask, or you have to show us some trick. Like you can do painting, you can dance, you can show a magic, or any kind of thing which you like. For that, we will give you a treat. Correct? So, I wish all of you to prepare for this and make this celebration a huge one. Right? Till then, I will see you later. Bye.